Have you ever sent or received a business payment on Venmo and then wondered, how do I actually keep track of this for my books? It's a great platform for quick, casual transactions, but when you're dealing with client invoices, vendor payouts, or sales revenue, those digital transactions need to be organized. Misplacing just one payment can turn tax season into a nightmare. The good news is, Venmo has robust features specifically designed to help businesses manage their money. Today, we're going to dive into the essential steps for accurately tracking your business payments on Venmo, making sure you never miss a cent and your accounting stays spotless. First and foremost, the critical step is not using your personal Venmo account for business. If you haven't already, you need to switch to or open a Venmo business profile. Why? Business profiles provide detailed transaction histories, make it clear to your customers they are paying a business, and, crucially, offer enhanced tracking features. If you're a sole proprietor or have an LLC, creating a business profile is straightforward and will immediately separate your personal dinner splits from your professional income. Once you're operating with a business profile, the first place to look for tracking is the Statements section. On the app or the web, navigating to your profile and then to Statements allows you to download monthly or annual statements. These statements are essentially raw data files containing every business transaction, both money in and money out, with dates, amounts, and transaction IDs. This is your master record, and it's invaluable. Now, how do you get this data into your accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, or even a simple spreadsheet? While Venmo doesn't have direct, automatic integration with every platform, the best method is to download the full transaction history as a CSV file. A CSV, or comma-separated values file, is a universal format that can be imported into virtually any accounting tool. You'll find the option to download the CSV, usually under the Statements or Activity tab on the web version of Venmo, which is often easier to use for this purpose than the mobile app. Before you import it, a quick, manual step can save you hours. Categorize and reconcile your payments. Look through the CSV file and add a column for category, think sales revenue, marketing expense, or software subscription. This makes reconciliation a snap. Then, you match these Venmo transactions to the invoices you sent or the bills you paid. Always make sure the amount in your accounting software exactly matches the amount recorded on the Venmo statement. Don't forget that Venmo charges a small fee for business transactions, so the gross amount received is what you're tracking as income, and the fee is a separate expense. Finally, for the best tracking discipline, add clear payment descriptions. Every time you send or request a payment, use the description field to link it to an external reference, like an invoice number or a project name. For example, instead of just design work, use invoice number 401Q3 website redesign. This small habit is a powerful tracking tool, making it easy to search and verify payments later. Following these steps, using a business profile, leveraging the statement downloads, importing the CSV, and using detailed descriptions, will transform Venmo from a casual payment app into a professional, easily tracked financial tool. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.